At 6th Avenue Homes, we know you want a home that feels like you.
In order to have that, you need a real estate guy that can help you find the right house and even transform it into your dream home. You need a team that gets you and can help you accomplish all your real estate goals.
The problem is, old school real estate agents, they just can't get it all done.
Traditional firms are full of stuffy, transactional agents who don't have knowledge beyond just buying and selling.
If you're interested in construction or investing, your average realtor doesn't have the experience and the team to give you the sound advice that you really need.
Diving into the real estate process can be daunting for anyone. It's hard enough to know who to trust. Most real estate agents leave you feeling unsupported because they don't have what it takes to get it all done.
But we believe you shouldn't have to settle. You deserve a partner who understands you and is backed by a team of experts in all things real estate.
That's why we created 6th Avenue Homes, the original one-stop shop for buying, selling, design, construction, and lending.
Our team has helped thousands of people find or create a home that feels like them. When you work with 6th Avenue, you can have it all.
Our real estate guides have a wide base of knowledge in construction, design, investing, and lending, so you get a more comprehensive experience as you're making decisions for your future.
With our in-house team of experts, you can sell your home for top dollar, buy a house you love, and even turn it into your dream home, all with one trusted partner.
In order to get started, we'll meet up to learn about your vision and create a simple action plan to bring your ideas to life.
Then we'll team up the perfect combination of real estate guides, designers, and construction experts to get the job done.
Finally, we'll raise our glasses up on the front porch of a home that feels just like you.
When you work with 6th Avenue Homes, I promise you will feel confident throughout the entire process.